Okay. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Nando here, back with one more video, and I apologize for the delay in video releases. I've been so busy, and I hate that I'm not putting out content as frequently as I was. I'm going to try to get back to a more steady schedule. I know I've said that before. If you guys have seen those videos, if you're new to the channel, sorry that I'm bringing up some old videos. If you like the content, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up throughout the video. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. However, new video, new topic, and I'm kind of talking about the Apple Airpods again. I'm going to link somewhere up top my previous review on the Apple Airpods. I've done that. I've done comparisons between these and other Bluetooth earbuds, headsets, whatever. And I wanted to revisit these guys for two main reasons. The first reason is whether these have aged well. And the second big reason, and probably the biggest reason why I'm making this video, is are these a good pair of Bluetooth earbuds for the Android market? Most people that think of the Apple AirPods think of them for the Apple ecosystem, right? For your iPhone, your iPad, so forth and so on. And that's obviously true. It's catered for that market. Its features utilize that ecosystem. But how does it fare with Android devices, the Android market? Well, I personally can tell you guys, let me grab this right here. I've been using it pretty regularly with my Pixel Panda version, if you want to call it the Panda version, Stormtrooper Pixel 2 XL with my Apple AirPods. And I love them. It's simple as that. Do these pair as perfectly with my Pixel or my Android devices as it has with my iPhone X or previous iPhones or other iOS devices? Not necessarily. Do they pair any worse when compared to the Google Buds, some Sony Bluetooth headphones that I have, Samsung wireless Bluetooth headphones that I have, Jaybirds, Beats X? No. Matter of fact, I've owned these, I've sold these, I got the Beats X, and those were my Bluetooth earbuds of choice for quite a while until my girlfriend went ahead and got me the AirPods again. And she's actually been using the Beats X. I might bring her onto a future video and I'll let you guys hear what she has to say between these and that, different kind of perspective, different user. But when I started comparing up these AirPods with my Pixel 2 XL on a regular basis, actually making them my go-to Bluetooth earbuds, I didn't miss anything. The only thing that I'm missing when using these with AirPods are features such as remove to pause, put back in your ear to play, or double tap for Siri. So if you're not using an iPhone, an iPad, that kind of device, you're not going to activate Siri. And in turn, you're still not going to activate OK Google. Just making sure that nobody's devices went off. Mine didn't. So you are still going to remain double tap for play pause. You're still going to have that feature, but you're not going to have, if you remove it, it pauses. If you put it back in, it plays. And you're not going to have the OK Google accessibility like something like the Beats X or even the new Google Buds. Okay, so if you're looking for an amazing experience in terms of feature set, the AirPods are probably not for you if you're using an Android device. Who are the AirPods for if you're using an Android device? Someone who wants something super portable. I mean, I don't know how you can get any more portable than this. Something that wants something that is truly wireless. These bad boys are as wireless as it gets. I mean, I have a little case on it, whatever. Got it all on Amazon for like $6. But being able to remove one bud, the other bud, put one in, put them both in. Nobody else does that as good as Apple, in my opinion. Yes, I know that Samsung has their 2008 versions of their X earbuds, whatever. I've reviewed 2017s before. I know that Bose has their version. Each one does something better than the other. But compared to the AirPods, No. In terms of simplicity, in terms of battery life, nothing else out there matters. So unless you're looking for something that's going to give you the functionality of the Google earbuds, but those aren't truly wireless because you do have the wire, the AirPods are your best bet for the Android market. If you guys disagree, let me know in the comment section below. If you guys agree, let me know in the comment section below. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Hit that subscribe button if you loved it. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. It was Nando. I'm out with this one. On to the next. Peace and salute. Stay geeky, guys.